So once that's finished installing, it'll bring you back to the Airwatch agent screen. If you've chosen corporate dedicated, you just need to set up your email password. So under notifications, you see email password required, just tick that. And again, this is your HWNS email. Click OK. And you'll see a message saying new data received. Go back to the home screen and click on your email and just click OK. So it'll just download the settings. Update your security information. Click OK. Activate. So go back to the home screen. You'll have the Airwatch agent. You'll see the password reset icon up the top there for resetting your password. Once you've registered, you need to register first. And then the app catalogue where there's some other applications like Link and the secure browser. And that's it. Thank you very much.